Good morning, guys. So it's day 3 in Nairobi. Today I am heading off to see two of the major things to actually do in Nairobi, which is to visit the Giraffe Center and also to visit the Elephant Orphanage, which I'm extremely excited about. I'm actually going to do the visits with a YouTuber that I actually connected with online. Her name is Farhana Oberson. I hope I said that right. But I'm going to be meeting her at the Giraffe Center and I'm going to be doing the the visits to the two amazing places together. So I'm very excited about meeting her and also, of course, seeing the giraffes, you know, kissing giraffes maybe, and watching the elephants being fed. So I'm so excited about that. I'm just in my Uber now, and apparently from where I was in the Westlands area of Nairobi. To get to the Giraffe Center, it is approximately 45 minutes to an hour, because I've seen that traffic in Nairobi can be intense. I'm literally looking at traffic right now, guys, and I think traffic here might be worse than in Nigeria. Yeah, so hopefully I get there in 45 minutes, but I've given myself an hour to get there, just because you can never predict these things. Yeah, so that's pretty much that. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you when I get there. So guys, it's 9:20 in the morning and I just arrived at the Giraffe Center. Oh, I didn't say this before, but if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a really huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it if you love it. Yeah, so I'm just here right now. I'm just gonna go and pay for my entry fee. But I'm not sure if you can catch a giraffe behind me yet. Well, you can't, but I'll show you guys. Oh, that's perfect. He's just like, where's the food? So far I have kissed a giraffe, I have fed a giraffe loads of pellets of food, and it's been quite fun. I would say my travel tip for coming here is to try and come as early as possible, because it does get quite busy. There's a lot of people already here, so try and come here like when it opens, which I believe is like 9 AM, so try and come early as possible. So aside from the actual animal sanctuary and the forest in there, there's actually a giraffe, not museum, but some history into giraffes within the center. Oh, my Instagram is taking its time.
Yeah, I'm visiting from Korea.
Okay. A lot to see? No, definitely I will. Guys, it's been fun. It's been amazing. Are we still fitting more?
We have 4 more left.
How was your experience? I'm sure this is like the 10th time you've been here.
No, actually it's the 2nd time I've been here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The first time I filmed it, this is the 2nd time.
Second time, so you're gonna enjoy it properly.
Yeah, this time I'm just like taking photos.
Yeah. Oh, it's so lovely to be here. I'm so glad she said I should come with
thank you for, she hit me up on the DMs on Instagram. I was like, oh my god, someone from Nigeria, yes! Welcome to Kenya.
No, it's so
been lovely. You're lovely.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
I hope you're enjoying.
I am loving it.
We're gonna be heading to the Elephant Orphanage in a bit, the David Sheldrick Orphanage. Oh, I forgot how to speak. The David Sheldrick Elephant Orphanage, but they start 11 to 12. It's only 1 hour.
Gosh, what time is it now?
But it's 10.
It's 10 o'clock. Okay, so we have time to get it. It's not too far from here?
No.
So it's quite close to here? Okay, that's good. And we're just watching them feed them. We can't feed them ourselves?
No, you can't feed them yourself. You can only do that, I think, if you
adopt one,
and then you can put them to sleep. And
oh, I wonder what's the price for adopting one. That might be expensive though.
No, it's just like $50 a year or something.
Really?
Yeah, it's proper cheap.
You guys consider that adopting elephants, but we'll check them out.
I think so.
See them.
I'm not sure.
If it's, I'm like, that's good. That's decent actually. No, but this is amazing, guys. I wish we had something like this in Nigeria.
It would be so cool.
It would be amazing. Like, this is unreal. I feel like yes. This is Africa, and Africa is beautiful, so you guys have to visit. So guys, aside from the center that's right there, where we're feeding the giraffes, they have an amazing Daisy souvenir shop right here that you can basically purchase, I guess, artifacts and like gifts to take back home. Let's quickly check it out. So guys, we are here now with Sheldrick Orphanage, the elephants, so very excited. It's extremely busy, like this place is packed, a lot of cars here, so we're trying to get, let's see, what time is it? 10:50, so 10 minutes before we're gonna be able to watch the feeding of the elephants. We're heading off quickly to get a good spot so we can spot them and watch them. But they're cute though, I like them.
Thank you.
Note to self, come much earlier.
You are allowed to touch and take some photos. While touching them, make sure that you don't put your hands in the mouth. And this is because so the elephants have good teeth. Tundi was right. He's an elephant by the name Mapia, 2 years old, rescued from Sava Conservation Area and a drought victim.
So guys, it cost us approximately $5, 500 Kenyan shillings to view the elephants. The elephants are only available for viewing once every day from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. for their feeding, which essentially means that it's packed, like extremely packed. So advice, come super early so you can actually get a front row seat by sort of the barrier so that you can actually touch the elephant. So guys, Farhana had to go to the airport, so she left after the elephant sanctuary. I am now heading off to the BLIXEN Museum, which is one of the big things to do in Nairobi, so I'm very excited about that. Apparently a lot of the tour companies go to the elephant sanctuary first, then go to the giraffe center, but the lovely Uber driver told me that it's actually a really bad idea because now it's going to be so busy at the giraffe center. So I'm so happy I am done with that and I'm just heading off to the museum. Okay guys, I just arrived at the grounds of the BLIXEN Museum, and if you don't know who BLIXEN is, she was actually one of the author of the famous book Out of Africa. So let's go. So guys, I just got my ticket, I'm vlogging this, and it's basically they have prices for residents and non-residents. So as a non-resident, I think they should have prices for Africans because I'm West Africa, but it's East Africa or not. So I had to pay 1,200 Kenyan shillings for it. And this is my guide here. You have to introduce yourself. Anderson. Yeah. Anderson here is my tour guide, which is going to take me around the beautiful house and the ground. I'll BLIXEN here first. Okay. Because mainly, as in when I went to the Masai Mara, the main job is obviously the hunting,
Yeah.
for the men and everything like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's good to be educated.
That's good. But do the Maasai community encourage that?
Yeah, I actually nowadays we are in a modern life, so
Okay.
many of the youths are educated.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like the past.
In the past,
whereby, the children are not allowed to go to
school.
Their work was too hard, so life has really changed.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's really good to hear. I like that. Guys, I just finished my tour of the museum and the grounds. I got to see the amazing coffee machines that was used here. Got to view the kitchen, heard a little more history about Karen, her books, sort of her life and everything, which was really great. This is Karen's home. In the corner there is actually a souvenir shop right there, which I'm gonna go and check out right now. So let's quickly see it before I head out, because I'm so hungry and I need to go get some food. Let's go see it. I think this is probably one of the best meals I've had in Nairobi since I've been here. Like, it's actually this good. So guys, before I leave this place, I wanted to give you guys a tour of this restaurant because I think it's so cute. You actually enter from there and you enter the building, and this is how it looks aesthetically inside, which I think is so pretty. The lights are not on right now, but you can visualize how pretty this place is. You got the bill? So guys, this is my bill. I ended up paying about $24 for this. It's like 2,430 Kenyan shillings, which for me was decent. And I got a chai loaf and flour recipe to take home with me because I'm a fatty like that. So guys, I am here at the GEKO Cafe with my beautiful friend Marion, and I told you guys I'm literally just meeting her for the first time after hitting her up in the DM. Since I'm doing that a lot to everybody in Kenya, and I'm just meeting everybody on the DM on Instagram. But we're here at this absolutely beautiful cafe, and it's her first time. So
Imagine that.
see, exploring Nairobi. I'm actually making her explore places.
Yeah, my neighborhood.
Yes. So, but yes, guys, what's your Instagram?
I am Marion Mithamo on Instagram, or you can also search Scrapbook Journeys.
Perfect. Yeah. So she's. Are you a travel lifestyle, or what are you?
Yeah, travel and lifestyle.
So she's like a travel lifestyle blogger here in Kenya. So you guys should check out her stuff. Check it out. I'm sure you'll love it. And if you're visiting Kenya, hit her up in the DM.
Yes. Let's discover together.
Exactly. So let me show you guys quickly how cute this place looks. Hi guys, it's been such a long and exhausting day. I had an incredible time at the Giraffe Center, at the Elephant Orphanage, at Karen BLIXEN's museum. It was amazing. I had a lovely lunch at the Tin Roof Cafe, which I would recommend to you guys. If you guys go there, the salads are amazing. Make sure you get the flourless chocolate dessert. It was phenomenal. Like, I loved it. My evening, maybe one of my highlights for today was also meeting Marion that I connected with on Instagram. So lovely meeting her. Such a lovely soul. Thank you guys for watching this episode, I guess. And don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video.